Hello everyone, welcome to Nick Creators Lab. Today we'll see about an application that is trending for all online classes, that is Zoom. So what is Zoom? How exactly it works? So Zoom is a web-based video conferencing tool that can be used on desktop or either on mobile, and it is an application that allows users to meet online with or without video. Users can choose to record sessions and they can collaborate with the people and they can share screens. And we have seen that Zoom is offering a good quality of video and audio. And also it supports on Apple devices and Windows and Android devices and mobile. So you may be thinking, is Zoom free to use? Yes, absolutely. Zoom offers a full-featured basic plan for free with unlimited meetings. Try Zoom for as long you want, and there is no like potential trial period for 1 month or 2 months you can use, and after that you have to pay. We are on the Zoom website so that we can understand the plans and pricing in detail. We can see Zoom is offering 4 plans here. So starting with the basic and pro and business and the enterprise. So we will see what are the major difference between each plan. So basic is like, if you're running a tutorial classes with 10 students, this will be the best option. Like pro is like if you are having a company with small teams or like a small school or the college with the limited students, you can go with the pro. So business is like mid-level business and the school or the colleges with the based upon the people's strength there. And the enterprise, so it's like a large enterprise with larger teams. What is basic plan? So basic plan can host up to 100 participants, which means I can invite like 100 users to the meeting, but it gives us only 40 minutes of the time limit. If I go to the pro, so pro is like again it includes the 100 participants, but the meeting duration limit you can see it is increased up to 24 hours. So there's a major difference from the 40 minutes to 24 hours. So if I just bit scroll down, you can see like most useful one is like a reporting. So you can run the reports to see how many meetings are taking place in your organization, or the total number of participants are attending to the meetings, and the number of meeting minutes you used, many more. And you can see on this particular pro. Now what is the next one is business. So business is something like, you can see like almost into 3 when compared to the pro. It is allowing for 300 participants, and also the major one is like other dedicated phone support, which means if you face any issue with the Zoom application, you can directly contact the Zoom support, so they will help you on go. And the last one we see is an enterprise plan, so which is like almost allowing like 500 participants and is giving us a cloud storage, and also it is giving us dedicated customer support for us and many more. This is all about this Zoom plans and pricing. Also, I have provided the link in the description box, you can check out later. This is the page where we'll provide our email address so that Zoom can send us an email to verify the account. I've given my email address here and I'll click on send. It has sent a confirmation link to our email address which we have provided on that box, and we have to go to the email and click on the confirmation link. I'll open the Gmail application now and I'll see if I've received any email. So here is the email. Now it's time to activate the account. I'll just click on activate your account. Now it's just asking a basic question. Are you signing up on behalf of a school? I'll just put no and just continue. Now here is the page. We need to provide some additional information like first name, last name, password, and we need to confirm our password. So let me provide some details to that and confirm the password. And if I just bit scroll down, I need to click on continue. So once I click on continue, it's asking for the more information like, okay, so whether you want to invite your colleagues. So for now, we'll skip this step. We have seen how to sign up to this Zoom application. We will now see how to sign in. Let me just type Zoom in and click on enter, and we can see now sign in Zoom here. So just click on it, and we need to enter the username and the password, which is like an email address and the password which you have given at the time of sign up. Now let me just put the password here and click on sign in. So it's asking just to verify us, and I'll just verify with the crosswalks and click on verify. And here is how your profile looks, and let us explore more in the profile page. So what is personal meeting ID? So this can be used for the instant meetings. User type, since we are on the basic plan, is showing as basic. So if you want to upgrade, you can just click on the upgrade here. We can see the capacity which shows like 100, which means you can invite up to 100 participants to the meeting. And the other one is a normal like the language, and you can just put the default language here by clicking on the edit, and the date and time. So the time zone, if you want to change the date format or time format, you can go ahead and use this edit option here. On the top right, we can see three options: schedule a meeting, join a meeting, and host a meeting. We'll explore each and one now. Here is where we schedule the time for the meeting and generate a invite link. And we'll explore like what are the options we have here. And first we have like a topic which can be like the name of your meeting. For now I'll put as demo, and the description, like if you want to provide more about your meeting, you can just provide. So this is an optional. And the next one is when, on which date you want to schedule, and what time you want to schedule. And the next is duration. Since we're on the basic plan, we can choose up to only 45 minutes. However, your meeting will end at 40 minutes since we are on the basic plan. And the next one is time zone we have, and the other one is meeting ID. So generate automatically means it will generate a unique meeting link every time. Else you can choose a personal meeting link and you can use the unique one every time. And the meeting password. We are on the meeting options, and we can see a most useful option for the host is like mute participants upon entry. So which is like all the participants will be on mute as they join the meeting, and participants can unmute themselves if they want to speak to others in the meeting. And click on save here to schedule a meeting. The next one is join a meeting. So this is the place where participants joins the meeting either using a meeting ID of the host or the personal link which host sends to the participants. Last one is host a meeting. This feature can be used when the participant is ready for the quick meeting. Also you can select with video on, with video off, and the screen share only options here. Now we will try with video off. This is exactly how Zoom looks, and we will learn about each option, starting with mute. You can click on the mute icon to mute yourself, and if you click on the same, it will be unmute. Video. And if you want to present yourself to the participants or participant want to share the video, and this is the option. And manage participants. You can see the list of participants who join in the meeting. And the next one is chat. If you want to collaborate with the participant, and this is a great option to use. Screen share. Zoom allows users to share the screen entire the call, but only one person can share the screen at a time. Either host or participant can share their screen. Record. You can record the entire meeting and send it to others who missed the meeting or a class. And the last option is end. Click on end button to leave the meeting, but if you are a host, you will see two options: end meeting for all and leave meeting. This is all about the Zoom application, guys. Kindly let us know in the comment section if you want to learn about any other application, and we will try our best to present it to you soon. I hope this video is helpful. If you want to hear from us again, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for more videos. And do share the videos to others. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.